Hello everyone, quick video on how I turned this mess into a lot more organized storage, as can be seen here. And so as I jump into it, we'll just take a look at this great storage space that has plenty of space for everything I need, but no organization. Very hard to find anything. Went to the store, bought the materials I was going to need, brought them home, and started cutting to the cut list that I had prepared before going to the store. I was working in early January in Illinois, so things are cold, so I needed to work quickly. So this is just an overview of making the cuts that I needed to for the shelves as well as the hangers on the wall. Took my materials, of course, sanded them down, 80 grit 150 220 just to give nice surfaces. Probably not needed for a basement closet, but still really useful. And these are just an example of going through and painting. No reason to show that. Was able to take my components and then go start hanging the supports on the walls. This is one side as I was finishing, and then I was able to get more videos over here. I was working while my daughters were playing, so they always like coming to seeing what I'm doing. Had to pull my system down whenever I confirm their locations to be able to put the anchors in the right locations to make sure that these shelves stay sturdy over the long haul. They will be holding quite a bit. Make sure that I get the supports all the way around so that the shelves do not come down. These are the final product, and you can see the organization looks great. And I had one other project that I worked on, which was my daughter's closet. I was really excited to take what I learned downstairs and advance upon it, putting some cubes in and just really giving them a better space to be able to store their things.